If you're looking to land new clients for your agency business, this new AI challenge is the most simplest and the fastest way to hit your goals and get your next client. Throughout this video, I'm going to be telling you what this challenge is about, how you can join it for free, and where you can get all of the funnel templates, ad swipes, email swipes, and all the assets for free so that you can get this system up and running in just one afternoon. My name is San, and for the last 10 years, I've been working for several global consulting firms where I've helped them build automations and digital systems. I now help entrepreneurs scale their one-person business through technology and virtual assistants. With that being said, let's get started. All right, so this is a challenge hosted by High Level, and it's called the AI 5-Day Challenge. So basically, it's a challenge where they will teach you how to land your first client with an AI offer. And I'll go over later on in a little bit on how that offer works, but it's a live session. So you're basically building this out, building everything out with a cohort, right? With people who are also trying to start this offer as well. So it looks like the next one is going to be June 10th. And they run this challenge every 2 weeks. So definitely try to register now so that you can get your seat reserved. And I'll put the link in the description for you to join. So the way it works is each day will cover different topics. So the first topic is going to be creating this irresistible offer, right? So it's going to be around an AI assistant that you can offer to other businesses. And they're going to be going over how to package it, how to price it, how to position it in your local market, all of that. And I'll go over what that course structure looks like. And you'll also get access to a course as well. That's in addition to the live workshops, okay? So the second day is going to be the setup day. So this is more of a tech setup day. So they'll give you a step-by-step on how you can set up your high-level account and where you can install this AI chatbot. All right. Day 3 is prospecting and sales. So this is probably the most important one, where they'll teach you how to reach out to business owners who would want this service and how you can get in front of them. And they're going to give you all of their swipe files and the collaterals as part of this. And then day 4 is going to be onboarding and fulfillment. So I would probably say this is, once you get that sale, this is the next step, right? Where you're going to have to fulfill your order, and they go through the step-by-step on how to do that. It's not fully automated, but I took the training, and it's super, super simple. So it probably just takes you like 15 minutes to get this set up. All right. And then you have retention and ascension. So if you're offering any other services like high ticket services, then this would be kind of like the entry offer, and you can naturally ascend them to your higher ticket packages. All right. So once you sign up, it's going to give you reminders on, that when the next session is going to be. But you're also going to get access to the course beforehand. So that way you can take this course before the actual live challenge, so you can be ready for it. I recommend you doing that, where they go over all of the trainings, and they give you all the access, so you can already get things set up for you. So you can see here, they separate out by the different days, right? And I mentioned earlier where you can find all the assets, like the scripts and all that. So you can find them inside of these modules. So you have the prospecting script, the sales script, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, you have all the collaterals that they'll give you. So the sales tracker, the brochure, even paid ad templates, right? Like they give you everything. So you really just don't have to like do much to like create stuff. You just have to just implement whatever it is that they're telling you. Okay. And I also recommend joining the Facebook group as well. So this is what it looks like. It's a very engaged community. You can see here, they already have over 5,000 members, and you can see here, like they post very frequently. So definitely engage in the Facebook group and ask questions, because you're gonna have these experts, help you out, and also you're gonna have other people that are also probably wanting to ask the same question too. So like if you're engaged, then like it helps other people and it's gonna help you too. So this is the 5-day AI challenge, and I recommend that you take this challenge and get your AI service set up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and happy to answer your questions. All right, thanks. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Now, if you are looking to get help with building your systems, or you're just looking to hire a virtual assistant, but you just don't want to deal with all of the hiring or managing the VAs, you can hire us for the on-demand virtual assistant team. I'll put the link in the description for that. All right, see you in the next video.